this is the journey of how I got my Wicks. It's not like a movie, it's more a reality. Well, today is the day. I'm about to finally go get my Wicks done. Miss KHADIJHA, she about to do it for me. You can see how my hair look right now. And then after that, I'll probably end up fading myself. I don't know if I'm gonna fade myself around and just keep my hair. Welcome to the life of Fargo. All right, y'all, go to start on my Wicks. So believe it or not, I'm in Fayetteville. I'm off a country club, bro, at the salon. So I'm just driving and just, you know, ready to get my Wicks. All of this is real.
You understand it? When I got over there, I was like, dang, I think he said make these small. Put this little one with this.
Yeah, just little. Yeah, it's small. And it happens both ways, right?
That's corny.
Yeah, that middle, boy, that middle
That's
feel
corny.
like goddamn, boy, that middle feel like goddamn. That middle feel like goddamn. Man.
Wow.
Y'all don't even know, boy. Y'all don't even know. But I already got the before and after. That thing right there, boy, y'all don't know how these feel. Everything good. Like, I'm good right here, though. Watch how my whole mannerism and how my whole body change when she gets right here. Watch that, though. Watch how my whole body language is about to change. Whole body language. You got yourself?
Yes.
Nah, it's not 5. Come on, Miss K.
I ain't got time to be doing no slow stuff.
No, you don't got time for that, but I'm just saying.
I'm gonna poke myself. That's just a part of the job.
Yeah, but still, hell no, don't do that.
That damn needle when I'm sewing people hair, leave. That little needle when you poke yourself.
Oh, God. Here we go. One thing I can honestly say, the whole process online does not feel like it actually does in real life.
Yo, I can't.
I'm the only person who's been moving like that though, Miss KHADIJHA.
Yo.
Oh.
Is it your leg did something?
Hell no.
Yo.
It's the way it's feeling. God. Woo.
Alright, so now I'm going to
She's done.
the rubber band, starting at the back, and tighten it up or not, depending if you like it the loosey look or you want me to tighten the root up.
Don't gotta tighten that root up. Just listen.
Wow.
That root is good. I like a loose root.
You don't want a uniform tight look.
Hell no, I don't not like them like the way. I just like the thickness of the lock look. You feel me? We good. I think we accomplished that today.
Yo. No, I'm going in here with a grease.
No, let's see, Miss K, she don't play around with her work. You see how that thing expanded on you? Huh?
Yeah, that's what it's
Huh?
Let me do this one so you can.
Hold on, you let me know if you want your roots tightened. Hell no, I thought they was already tightened.
They used to jump when I put the rubber in over.
Hell yeah, they did. Oh my gosh.
See?
Ah, boy, that feels so good right
You
there.
don't want me to tighten it.
Hell no. It'll do it on its own.
Yo.
And you still gonna get the same amount of money you asked for.
You don't want me to go in a little bit.
Hell no.
The bends and they don't get.
I don't know why they would even do that for. That looks so.
They want a tight look. I be like.
Yeah, that looks crazy.
But they had like. maybe 6. So I put a lot of dreads together, and that took all day.
Oh yeah.
Because it was a lot.
Yeah, how much you charge him? Like $1,200?
No, I never charged him like that.
Oh my God, I would have charged him by the band. See, that's how I like my root. I like a nice loose root. But Miss Khadijah still getting a little tight though.
What are they doing?
So as you see my eyes right now, like I'm grimacing in pain because I can't even lie. This process really, really hurts. So you got to be strong if you really want to get these wigs. No cap. See that leg come up?
Yo, I let go when the leg come up. This type of ridiculous.
Yo, that.
No. I'm not even possible. Got your legs pushed?
I know they ain't gonna do it now though.
Wow, you don't want this tight?
No, give me a loose. I see my parts nice and neat. Them things looking straight.
Very nice.
Hey, she freaking them, boy. Y'all see my joints? That's how I do that. Y'all see me snooping out? Come on, man. Quit playing with me. Wait. So here's the real star of the whole entire movie. And she's nothing but 3. That's Miss Khadijah's niece. Really her daughter. You know, she's so cute. But yeah, she just needs some attention. That's it. And listen to her. Do a scratch. Look at it. I got my little following up now. I wanted a loose root. She ain't playing those loose roots.
I ain't even to the root on this one, yo. Yo, he getting on my nerves.
Really, Miss Khadijah being nice. She really want to say, nigga, stop acting like a bitch and man up.
My nerves. He's like,
it's
nah,
not that hard. It's not that hard. Don't hurt that much.
No, we with it. I got to make sure it's together.
Y'all know me, bro. When I was in high school, I was more prettier. I'm just not like that no more. Still look good, but.
All right, I'm about to tighten the top of it up.
Okay. She just getting them in there.
Band it. Form what you putting into the. Oh, that hurt it.
Oh shit. Hell yeah.
Knee.
Oh dang.
Why is it my face and not yours?
I have to get you too, cause I'm chopping it up. You feel me? It's like a show. It's gonna be like a show. Them things hurt, boy. Huh? Yeah, I can't even cap. It really does hurt. Just having this little break right here was just like instant relief. But check this out. To me, it seems like it's almost good. You want, okay, say it again.
You want this going this way or you want me to try to do
Hey, nah, just keep it the way it is.
The front or the back?
Nah, I'm cool the way it is, bro. It's gonna lay down whenever I put my little joint on it. It's gonna lay down, so I'm cool with it. You can grab my I think Miss Khadijah like to see me in pain a little bit.
I do not.
Everybody ain't gonna be able to take this, boy. Everybody can't. You know, it ain't for everybody. When I get to the root, I feel like it ain't for my ass. Miss Khadijah asked me specifically, so you want a tight root or a loose root? I specifically said I wanted a loose root. Miss Khadijah don't want to hear no loose root from me.
It's loose.
Well, this is it. Anytime y'all want to torture a nigga, boy, I think y'all should do this to a nigga. This is some other shit right here, boy. I spoke too soon.
You did.
I think Miss Khadijah like to see me in pain a little bit.
I do not. Whatsoever.
Yeah, we in there right there. Oh yeah.
Alright, about to do this.
Oh shit. Nah, you. I think this is when it started getting real for me, really.
Huh?
Two expressions on my leg motion.
Nothing. I got a whole bunch. I've been doing it the whole entire
Oh
time.
wow.
Oh shit.
You told me to do it.
Oh yeah, get now I do it now.
Yo!
Hard right here.
It did brush your teeth this morning.
Woo! That was it right there, boy. I think I got one more left. Yeah, I got one more left, y'all. Hard right here.
Get the way my legs is, too.
The way his legs shake.
Hey, so what I want y'all to pay attention to is the sound. Just listen to the hair. You can hear the hair crackling, and it's so painful. So be careful if you really want to get this done. Only the strongest gonna survive. Nigga, I'm not acting, bro. This shit is real. Look at Miss Khadijah face.
I had to put that phone down. Boy.
Oh, right there, I felt like she ripped the root right through my head, boy. She ripped one of them strands, boy. You see my eyes. This is real, y'all. This is real. I cannot stop doing this, boy. Because all the tension is like in my head. The crazy thing is, 4 months after this, I cut them off. I cut them off. I'm growing them back now.
There, right there, boy.
I got one more left. This hands down had to be my favorite step. Getting the setting lotion rubbed on my scalp, getting the oils ran down my scalp. It just felt so amazing. Miss Khadijah does a great, amazing job. She's in Fayetteville, North Carolina. I believe everything. You gotta get a little hair wrap, you know.
Hey, he's wicked and you could be too. Let's go.
The dryer now. I'm almost done, boy. Man, these bitches gonna fall right into, boy. Woo! I promise you, boy, I feel way better. So now, gotta get dripped out. You know, I gotta drip a little bit. I'm about to change the whole wardrobe. Alright? You don't wanna be looking sloppy when you have Wicks. You know? And like looking clean when you have a nice pair of Wicks on your head. Alright? Alright, y'all. Oh, instantly at this moment I already knew that I was the shit. Yeah. Look at me. Clean. Just listen. Listen to how my voice changed. Yes, sir. Y'all ain't never seen no Wicks like this, bruh. 7 of them, man. I got 7 of them. 1 for each day of the week. You did. You haven't seen no Wicks like this. Stop playing with me, man. Stop playing with me. Shout out to Qween Haircare, Miss Khadijah. I'll leave the contact information. Yes, sir. So I understand some of y'all might have picked this up through the online streaming service. If you're trying to look at the actual visual, be sure to look me